On our fourth day in Sri Lanka, we drove from Kandy to visit a unique spot our driver recommended, Ambuluwawa Tower. It's located about 30 kilometers south of Kandy, roughly a 1-hour drive through lush highland scenery, making it a great morning side trip. Access to the tower itself requires a short tuk-tuk ride from the entrance because the road up the mountain is pretty steep. Our driver dropped us off at the meeting point, and from there we took our first tuk-tuk of this trip, paying a fixed price of about 1,500 Sri Lankan rupees for a round trip that included a return pickup about an hour later.
Just have our very first tuk-tuk ride.
Three months.
Was it fun?
One right on the rock there, too.
Yes. Oh, there's monkeys. I see there's so many monkeys.
Entry to the tower costs 2,000 rupees for adults and 1,000 for children, cash only. Ambuluwawa Tower was opened to the public in 2006 and rises about 48 meters above the surrounding landscape. It's also part of the Ambuluwawa Biodiversity Complex, Sri Lanka's first multi-religious and ecological site. The complex was developed to celebrate unity among different faiths, featuring a Buddhist shrine, a mosque, a church, and other buildings. The Biodiversity Park showcases a variety of plants and peaceful walkways, and it's also common to see monkeys. One even gave our little one a chase, so be careful here.
I see. Oh, watch out.
The climb up the tower begins indoors, where you will climb 6 floors of stairs. After that, if you choose to continue, the upper portion wraps around the outside in a narrow spiral staircase that gets tighter as you go up. It's thrilling, but definitely not recommended for those afraid of heights. The walkway becomes increasingly narrow and only allows single file passing, which sometimes leads to little traffic jams where climbers step inside center hideaways to let others by. While Ryan and our 4-year-old made it all the way to the top, I stayed below with our 2-year-old who was a bit too nervous for the exposed sections. If you're visiting with kids, you can absolutely enjoy the indoor portion and the views from the 6th floor balcony. Even without reaching the very top, the scenery is so worth it. After exploring, we stopped for a coffee with beautiful mountain views before heading back down to meet our driver and continue our day.